Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. So I'm going to show you how you can put your website in maintenance mode in the event that you're doing some upgrades, you're changing the home page or anything like that. So let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is sign into your WordPress dashboard. I'm assuming that you already have your hosting and also your domain. So just go ahead and sign in real quick. The next thing you're going to do is select plugins. Alright, then you're going to select add new. Alright, then you're going to type in WP maintenance mode, and it is this one right here. You're going to go ahead and select install. So while that is installing, I'm going to show you how the website looks right now. So this is the website. Alright, let me go back over to my WordPress. Then you're going to go ahead and select activate. Alright, so it is now activated. You're going to go ahead and select settings. Alright, so this right here is the settings. You're going to go ahead and select design. This is how the design look. You can go ahead and enter the text you want. I'm just going to leave mine as it is. This is general, so bypass search bots, so I'm going to select no. Alright, so then you're going to select modules and then show countdown. You're going to select yes, and then I'm going to place like 5 days right here, 5 days and like 3 hours and 3 minutes. Alright. Show subscribe. I'm going to go in and select yes. I'm going to show you how that looks in a minute, and then you're going to select save settings. The next thing you're going to do is go back over to general, and then you're going to select activated. You're going to scroll down and select save settings. Alrighty, so that process is now completed. We're going to go back over to your website, and I'm going to go ahead and select refresh and show you how it looks. And this is how it looks right now. And this section that says notify me when it's ready, so the person can go ahead and put in their email address and select subscribe, and the maintenance mode will be up in 5 days and 8 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Alright.